gives me peace of mind to know that someone else who knows what's going on is monitoring him. And they call us. I've spoken with them. If something is wrong and they don't like what they see on the monitor, they let us know and tell us either to call an ambulance or call the doctor. So it just gives me peace of mind to know, because I am not a medical person.
I am real happy with it. I like the accessibility, and I like the people. I have not gotten anybody that I didn't like. And I go to Beebe's cardio care, and I'm going to be back there again next Tuesday, by the way. So that's a good thing.
His doctor's given him permission after 6
back
weeks that he can go
to
back.
my cardiac rehab. There's a bunch of old folks there. What could be better? It's like almost like you go to the Turtle and have a couple of beers with the boys, or you go to the rehab place and have a couple of exercises with the exercisers.